My dear friends, I am happy to participate in this international conference on combating antimicrobial resistance being conducted on the occasion of World Antimicrobial Awareness Week 2021. Kasturba Medical College, Manipal is the first self-financing medical college in the country started by our founder, Dr. T.M.A. Pai in the year 1953 in public-private partnership model. Ours was the 29th medical college to be started in this country in 1953. Today, we have more than 650 medical colleges in the country. I am very happy and proud to say that we are consistently ranked within the top 10 medical colleges in the country for more than 2 decades. That's the reason KMC Manipal is considered as the flagship of our university. The dream of Dr. T.M.A. Pai to establish a university could not come through during his lifetime. However, his son, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, present Chancellor of Mahe, who took over the reins in the year 1979, after the death of his father, fulfilled his father's dream and established Manipal Academy of Higher Education, popularly known as Mahe, in the year 1993, with the conferment of deemed university status by the Government of India. Dr. Ramdas Pai made Manipal an international university township and took the Indian higher education overseas for the first time. His unwavering practice of integrity at any cost has been the bedrock on which today's Manipal has been built. Dr. Pai continues to be the guiding light and inspiration for all of us. Dr. Ranjan Pai, son of Dr. Ramdas Pai, is at the forefront of enterprise in education, healthcare, and cutting-edge research. With several spectacular successes behind him, he represents the third generation. Commitment, perseverance, integrity, and humility have been the core values of the family, and the university has adopted them as its own in its march forward. Mahe has been conferred Institution of Eminence deemed to be university status by the Ministry of Education, Government of India in the year 2020, about which we are very proud of. We have carved out infectious disease as a separate department from medicine because of the importance of infectious disease. World Antimicrobial Awareness Week is celebrated every year from 18th to 24th of November. This year's theme is Spread Awareness, Stop Resistance. The overreaching World Antimicrobial Awareness Week slogan continues to be Antimicrobials Handled with Care. Antimicrobial resistance occurs when bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites no longer respond to medicines, making common infections harder to treat and increasing the risk of disease spread, severe illness, and death. Antimicrobial resistance is a global health and development threat. It requires urgent multi-sectoral action in order to achieve the sustainable development goals. WHO has declared that antimicrobial resistance is one of the top 10 global public health threats facing the humanity. Many factors have accelerated the threat of antimicrobial resistance worldwide, including overuse and misuse of medicines in humans, as well as poor access to clean water, sanitation, and hygiene. Poor diagnostic and prescribing practices and patients not following their treatment also contribute. Inadequate infection prevention and control promotes the emergence and spread of drug-resistant infections. The cost of antimicrobial resistance to the economy is significant. In addition to death and disability, prolonged illness results in longer hospital stays, the need for more expensive medicines, and financial challenges for those who are impacted. World Antimicrobial Awareness Week aims to increase awareness of global antimicrobial resistance and also to encourage best practices among general public, health workers, farmers, animal health professionals, and policy makers to avoid the further emergence and spread of drug-resistant infections. In May 2015, a global action plan to tackle antimicrobial resistance was endorsed at the World Health Assembly, supported by the Food and Agricultural Organization and World Organization for Animal Health, collectively known as tripartite. The objective of World Antimicrobial Awareness Week campaign are to make antimicrobial resistance a globally recognized issue with engagement of all sectors, human, animals, plant and environment as a One Health approach, to raise awareness of the need to protect antimicrobial efficacy through prudent and responsible use, to increase recognition of the roles that individuals, governments, civil society organizations and human, animal, environment and plant health as well as agriculture professionals must all play in tackling antimicrobial resistance. To encourage behavior changes towards prudent use of antimicrobials across all relevant sectors and convey the message that simple action can make a big difference. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to compliment Dr. Kavita Sarao, Professor and Head of the Department of Infectious Diseases and Coordinator, Manipal Center for Infectious Diseases, who was an old student of Kasturba Medical College, Manipal, and a blue ribbon, that was best outgoing student in the year 1994, and Dr. Muralidhar Verma and their team for organizing this very important conference. I wish this conference every success. Thank you very much for the opportunity.